Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another reviewing your channel art video. I know you guys are excited for this one. I am as well. So this one I'm going to be a little bit more detailed and tell you guys some things that you should do, and hopefully this helps you out. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so starting out we have Vexy. They have a super awesome logo. I have no complaints for the logo. I really like the cartoon type logos, so no complaints there. For the banner, I would say to maybe make the background fit more with the logo's background, so maybe like a gradient purple background, because it's such a harsh transition between the background, the logo, the background, the text. It's like really choppy, if that makes any sense. So try to make the background flow better with this logo. And even if you could get that background that you used, that would be really cool if you could like expand it. It'd probably lose quality, but if you had a big picture of it, that would be really nice. But yeah, just change the background. It should look a lot better. And yeah, that's what I would do there. Maybe rearrange these. If you could remove the background on this and just have the character, that would probably make it look better too. But you know, maybe you can't. So those are some tips I have for you. The text is all right, so no complaints there. For the thumbnails, I would say to make your text bigger as well as the icons in it, because I can't really see what's going on here. So there's room to make it bigger, so go ahead and do that. Everything else is good, just make it easier to read and see, and you should be good. I really like this one right here, the giveaway winner. I like that a lot. Next up, we have FOXYPLAYZRBX. So first things first, I noticed that the thumbnails fit an awesome theme. I really do like it when thumbnails match. So great job on the thumbnails, no complaints, looks really good. For the logo, I would definitely do something else, because when I first got to the channel, let's just say you're on like a TV or something, or even just a desktop. It's really hard to know what's going on, and people aren't going to sit there and try to process what it is. So make it easier to process what it is like right away. That's really important too. It's not bad necessarily, but if you have to take time to process it, you should probably do something about that. For the banner, I would definitely get a different background. It's kind of low quality, and you know, maybe get like a darker background so that the text shows up a little bit better, because it's kind of hard to read it with this background. But the text looks nice. So yeah, that's all I'd have to say for you. Good job on the thumbnails, so keep it up. Next up, we got FunLeader179. So first thing I noticed is a really clean logo. I like that. It looks like a Roblox head. And I also do like the banner quite a bit. That font is really nice. So good job on that. I like how you used a darker red as the stroke, because if you used a bright red, it would have blended in with the background, and I probably would have mentioned that. So it looks pretty good. Thumbnails look pretty nice as well. I would say, you know, you don't really have like a theme going on, which is fine. You don't always have to have one. Like I kind of have like thumbnails that are all over the place, but I would say for this, make it a little bit easier to read. There's a lot of text and a lot of stuff going on here, so I would definitely try to clean that up a bit. This is good, I would say. Maybe a little bit darker or lighter on the text, because the text is kind of dark, but that's just me being picky. Yeah, that's really all I'd have to say. So good job there, keep it up. Next up, we got ITZSUGAR, and that logo is awesome. I love the art in that one. So great job there, no complaints. I really do like art that looks like that. I don't know, it catches your eye and it looks really clean. So the banner as well, I really like the banner too. I like the red theme that you're going for. Text is easy to read. You know, you got your character here, so you know it's a Roblox channel, and you got the sunburst background. It just looks amazing. Now, I haven't looked at the thumbnails. The thumbnails look really awesome as well. I really do like this. You can see that it's easy to read. You get all the points across in these pictures, and they're very colorful and eye-catching. So this is one of the best I've seen yet. So good job. I have no critiques for you. I mean, I'm sure there's room for improvement. There's room for improvement for everybody. But yeah, great job ITZSUGAR. All right, so for this one, this is 49 waffles, and they said to just review the banner, because you know, they don't make consistent thumbnails, which is okay. But we're just gonna review the banner then. So first thing I noticed is that one, it looks clean. 2, I would definitely, it feels kind of like the composition feels kind of off. I'd say that there's like a lot here, there's stuff here, and then there's stuff here, but the banner is this long, so you have all this empty space over here. So what I would do is either move this character closer to this so they're both centered ish, and then move this logo down and move one of these logos to the right side instead of, you know, I don't know, just to separate the weight, you could say, because it feels like it's real heavy over here, you know. I don't know if I'm spewing nonsense, but it makes sense to me. So just try to separate some of it so that it flows well. But yeah, besides that, it's simple and I like that. So good job there. That's all I have to say. All right, last but not least, we got HUNTERXV. So first off, anime logo. So I'm guessing you didn't make that, so I'm not going to say anything about that. The banner looks pretty clean as well. I'm not sure. I'm guessing you probably put your characters over the backgrounds, maybe, or maybe you just took a background that has these guys on it. Either way, I like the incorporation of your name here. Looks good. Good job on that. Let's look at the thumbnails. Thumbnails look good. I really do like the you got like the game title, the text. I like how you lit up the text a little bit more on this one, because I was gonna say it's kind of dark, but you lit it up and that looks great. So yeah, good job on the thumbnails. I'm liking that. Banner looks good too, and I would maybe try making your own logo for this, but I don't know what you're going for, so maybe I'm wrong, but looks good so far. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.